Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And if you are trying to get access to Outlook.com, it could be an on and off thing. Some people report that you can't log in. Some people report that they can't get to the page. All sorts of problems. It doesn't seem to affect everybody, but it affects a lot of people, as you see here in the graph, since 5 a.m., roughly 5 a.m., 4 a.m. this morning. The number of reports have been going up, and it is a worldwide outage that Microsoft says it's trying to figure out what is happening with the problems. So they are still probably trying to fix and find the problems with Outlook.com. There's been so many issues with not just Outlook.com, but everything that has to do with emails. And if you use the apps like the classic Outlook and so on, it seems Microsoft has a hard time making email work fun. I remember the good old days with the Outlook Express that just worked. So, anyways, if you're trying to get to your Outlook email and it doesn't work, just try from time to time. Mine logged in fine, but a lot of the reports say that it's an on and off thing. So you can try and it works, and then suddenly you'll try again and you'll see that you can't log in or it just doesn't work. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.